Hello, this is our EL department here at East Middle School. Our expectations are the same across the board. We expect students to be signed into their Zoom class daily and complete all their assigned work on time. I am Dan Walsh. I do the EL push-in support, so I see students in their regular education classroom settings.
I am Mr. Norako. I teach EL science. Students will be required to log on to Zoom meetings every day and participate in class. Participation will be very important in my class, as well as turning in assignments on time.
Hello, my name is Ms. Beth Copay, and I will be your child's EL math teacher. This year, we are using a new curriculum program called iReady Math, and your students have already gotten a nice taste of it with the diagnostic, which showed us which level to start the school year off with. And one of my main goals this year is fact fluency, as well as applying real-world connections to different areas of math. And I'm excited to be your math teacher this year.
Hi, my name is Carly Williamson. I am your child's EL social studies teacher. And in my class this year, we will be using current events to facilitate language development. And by the end of my class, I aim for your child to be able to properly communicate and be able to tell you their favorites or use correct sentences.
My name is Natasha Rome. I am the EL English teacher. We'll be working on listening, reading, writing, and speaking using System 44, which some of the students are already familiar with. And I expect students to be participating in Zoom every day and completing their assignments.